Friedrich Mischer. Friedrich Mischer. He is a Swiss physician. Isolated the DNA as an acidic substance from the nuclei of pus cell in 1869 and he termed it as nuclein. Okay, Friedrich Mischer, a Swiss physician, isolated DNA as acidic substance from the nuclei of pus, pus cell in 1869 and he termed it as nuclein. But it was only in 1953 James Watson and the Francis Crick proposed the double helix structure of DNA based on the X-ray diffraction method. The X-ray diffraction method was provided by Maurice Wilkins and Rosalind Franklin. Maurice Wilkins and Rosalind Franklin. The scientific name and the years is very important. Friedrich Mischer, a Swiss physician, isolated the DNA as an acidic substance from the nuclei of pus cells in 1869 and he called it nuclein. But in 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick proposed the double helix structure of DNA based on the X-ray crystallography method. The X-ray crystallography method was conducted by Maurice Wilkins and Rosalind Franklin. Maurice Wilkins and Rosalind Franklin. Okay. Next we are discussing the Chertoff rule. Erwin Chertoff proposed a rule that is known as Chertoff rule. Erwin Chertoff. The name of the scientist is Erwin Chertoff. He put forward the rule that is known as Chertoff rule. That means that the amount of purines will always be equal to the amount of pyrimidine. Okay. So adenine and guanines are the purine which is seen in the DNA and cytosine and thymines are the pyrimidine which is seen in the DNA. So according to Erwin Chertoff, the number of purines is equal to the number of pyrimidine. That is known as Chertoff rule. Okay. This is the Chertoff rule is not applicable to single-stranded DNA or RNA. Chertoff rule is not applicable to single-stranded DNA or RNA. It's only applicable for the double-stranded DNA. The double helical structure of DNA shows two polynucleotide chains with sugar-phosphate linkage and they form the backbone and the bases like adenine, guanine, thymine and the cytosine are projecting in between the backbones. Due to the characteristic phosphate linkage and nitrogen base pairing to the sugar molecule, the two strands are shows anti-parallel in nature. The nitrogen bases of the two strands are paired by the hydrogen bond. The pairing in between the adenine and thymine by 2 hydrogen bond and the guanine and cytosine by the 3 hydrogen bond. Clear it is? So again I am discussing nucleotide. Nucleotide is made up of nitrogenous base, pentose sugar and the phosphate group. Nitrogenous base and pentose sugar together it is known as nucleoside. Okay, when adding the phosphate then the term is nucleotide. Then this nitrogenous base are two types, purines and the pyrimidine. Purine contain adenine and the guanine. Pyrimidine contain cytosine, uracil and thymine. And pentose sugars are two types, ribose and deoxyribose. Clear it is? Very important chapter. Okay. So this is the structure of the DNA. Here so consider this is a ladder. And the steps of these ladders are made up of nitrogenous base. Okay. Then we are discussing the next point. The two backbones are coiled in right-handed fashion. Here the structure of, when we are observing the structure of DNA, here the two helix are arranged in a right-handed fashion. The coiling results the pitch of the helix 3.4 nanometer and with the 10 base pairs each in full turn. So this one coiling is 3.4 nanometer and in between this one coiling having 10 base pairs. Okay. Thus, one turn shows the base pair at a distance 0.34 nanometer. Each base pair stacks over other in the double helix and become coiled helically. The DNA have a helical structure. The two helix are seen in a right-handed fashion. Then the coiling resulting the pitch of the helix, that is 3.4 nanometer and with 10 base pairs. Okay. One turn shows the base pairs at a distance 0.34 nanometer. 0.34 nanometer. ഇവിടെ നോക്കുക, ഇതിൻ്റെ ഈ ഒരു കഷ്ണത്തിൽ അല്ലേ, ഇതെന്ന് പറയുന്നതാണ് എത്രയെന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞത് 3.4 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഇതിനുള്ളിൽ കാണുന്ന ബേസ് പേസിൻ്റെ എണ്ണമാണ് എത്ര പറയുന്നത് 10 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ആ ബേസ് പേസ് തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആണ് എത്ര 0.34 nanometer. One turn shows the base pair at a distance of 0.34 nanometer. The type of DNA. Next we are discussing the type of DNA. Three type of DNA: A DNA, B DNA and the Z DNA. A DNA, it is a right-handed DNA, B DNA is a right-handed DNA and the Z DNA, it is an left-handed DNA. The number of base pairs in all these are not equal. A DNA, B DNA and the Z DNA.